Hello all. In this session, we'll discuss about some other basic programs from other sections. We'll discuss advanced programs later in one stretch once the basic program complete. From strings, we'll work on reverse a string, check if a string is palindrome, count vowels, consonants, digits and spaces. These three programs we'll discuss. Firstly, we'll work on reverse a string. Let's write a code for it. This is the program. First, we are taking the user input, and this is a function called for reverse string. We are passing the user input here. This is a function definition. In the function definition, there is another variable reversed underscore str. This particular statement means we are assigning empty string to this variable. This is a string which is having 0 characters initially. In the for loop, for char in s, reversed str equal to char plus reversed str. That means for each iteration in this for loop, from beginning to end in the string, appending the character in front to the empty string. Okay, that means, for example, if you take hello, first time reversed underscore str equal to empty string. For that, we are appending h in the beginning. Okay, then for h, next, what is the character E? We are appending E in front. Then we are appending L in front. Okay. Again, one more L in front. Then O. This is the logic. In front. Okay. We'll run. Enter the string. Let us say welcome. Yeah, you can see. This is a reversed string. One more run. Hello. Yeah, you can see this is a reversed string. Now we'll check if a string is palindrome. Yeah, this is the logic. We'll have to find out whether the string is palindrome or not, right? So first we are taking the user input. It's better to convert if the string is having uppercase letters to convert it to lowercase. See, initially it is an empty string. Then for ch in string, if character is between A and Z, caps A and caps Z, here this particular statement we need to convert character into ASCII code. For example, A value 65. 65. So we are converting A character to ASCII code value 65. 65 plus 32. It becomes 97. Again we are converting from ASCII code to character by using CHR. If the string is having uppercase character, then it will be converted into lowercase. Then find the length of a string. Length equal to 0 initially. We need to traverse from the beginning of the string to end of the string, and we need to measure length. Then compare the characters from start and end. Here we need to take one flag is underscore palindrome. Initially it will be true. We need to define the logic here. For I in range length by 2. For example, hello. In this, what is the length? Length equal to 5. In this case, 5 floor division 2. So it will be 2. What are the I values? 0 and 1. Only 2 iterations. S of I not equal to S of length minus I minus 1. That means starting character H and end character O will be compared. Let us say this one and this one comparison happens. Again this one and this one. Only for 2 iterations. Center is anyway it is common. When it compares in any iteration starting from first iteration itself, if not equals H not equal to O, in this case first condition, so this flag is underscore palindrome false. It comes out of the loop break. So when the flag is false, this particular statement will be executed. The string is not palindrome. Likewise, if you take madam, so what happens here again? Here in this case, this first character and last character will be compared. Again, second character from the beginning, second character from the end. So in this case, first iteration true equal, second iteration also equals. So here in this code, when the iterations are equal, it doesn't go in if loop. So this flag remains same, is palindrome equal true only. For this particular string, this particular statement will be executed. The string is palindrome. This is the complete code. Now we will run and check. The hello is not palindrome. We'll run for one more input. Madam is palindrome. One more input. Refer is palindrome. Now we will discuss another program. Count vowels, consonants, digits and spaces. This is the complete program. We have taken the string here and this is a function called count underscore chars. We are passing this particular string If you see this count chars function definition, we have vowels in lowercase letters and uppercase letters. Initially, V count, C count, D count, S count all are equal to 0. Now, in the for loop, in the given string, we are checking how many vowels. Check for vowels. If CH in vowels, count will be increased from 0 to 1. Like how many vowels, it will be keep on incrementing. Likewise, check for uppercase letters. Caps A, caps Z. In between, whatever the characters are there, elif, ch greater than A or equal, less than or equal to Z. Count will be incremented. The same fashion, check for lowercase letters. This is the condition. And check for digits from 0 to 9. This is the condition. In between 0 and 9, count will be incremented. Check for spaces. Elif ch equal to space, count will be incremented if it finds space. Finally, we are returning V count, C count, D count, S count. All this will be collected here. V, C, D, S, P. This is the function outcome, right? So finally, we are printing vowels, consonants, C, digits, D, spaces, SP. This is the complete program. Run the code. Yeah, vowels 3. We'll say this one. Here, if you count E in one place, O in two places. So total 3 consonants other than vowels and other than digits. 7. H, L, L in this 3. Again W, R, L, D 4. 3 plus 4, 7. Digits 5. Spaces 2. This one and this one. That's all for this session.